Welcome to my office area. So this is technically the den, but I decided to turn it into an office area because I don't know if I mentioned before, but I went from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom. So yeah, this is gonna kind of be like my 2nd bedroom thing. But anyway, I have a console table here. I have some stuff on it. I don't know if you don't know, if you know, but I make maps for my full-time job. So I thought this was really cute because I love gold, and then this is a globe, so I felt like it was just perfect for my life. So yeah, I wanted to kind of do like a gallery wall type thing here to try to cover up this thing, but yeah. I also have to put this chair together, and this is gonna go there, obviously. And I also have like some art supplies in another box because I low-key have like Michaels in my possession. Really into art stuff, so yeah. So I bought this little thing. Like maybe I can fit everything in here. So between this thing and then these shelves, which I have books that need to go there, and this little drawer, I gotta fit a whole bunch of stuff. I've been struggling with putting this damn thing together. Oh my god. I can't even get the screw in like one of the... Really? I think that this is why this thing was on sale. Because it's not even right. Finally, we have the chair, yay! So like, I know this desk is like really old or whatever, but I just didn't feel like buying a new one, so I'm just like, whatever. So far it's coming along. I still have a whole mess of stuff down here. But you know what? We're gonna focus on the positive. That's what we're gonna do. Here is my box of more books and like my art stuff. I don't know if you can see, but I have like random art things that I'm gonna try to fit in here. Okay, so this is where I am right now. I got rid of all the trash and all the stuff, and so this is what I have. I mean, obviously I'm not done because I still have to do the gallery wall here, and I want to do something on these walls. And I mean, I still have things that I need to do, but for right now I think this is a good stopping place. But yeah, this is it, and I'm happy with it, and I can't wait to work from home now. Whenever that may be. I actually have an area dedicated to my workspace. Actually, I don't, let me get in front of the light. I don't know why I'm not talking to you. But until next time, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Let's do the trouble one first. Oh, Jesus. Help me, help me. Do I look cool? Oh, just a plant.